Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Genesis G80 versus Lexus LS 500 full comparison. Follow along as I break down performance, comfort, tech, and ownership costs to help you decide between these two luxury sedans. I'll point out where value beats prestige, explain driving character, summarize interior quality, and highlight fuel efficiency and maintenance expectations. Stay tuned for clear comparisons and practical buying tips. Let's dive in together now today. We start with performance and ride, focusing on how each sedan drives in real life and on open roads. I compare horsepower, torque feel, transmission smoothness, and throttle response to show which car feels quicker or more composed. Then I cover steering weight, suspension comfort, and ride isolation at city speeds and highway cruising. Finally, I summarize handling trade-offs and how those affect daily comfort and spirited driving alike. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future comparisons. Quick recommendation: the product you see here makes meal prep simple and leak-free, which is perfect after a busy test drive day. I'll drop a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we explore interior quality and ownership realities so you know what living with each car is like. I describe seat comfort, materials, passenger space, and trunk capacity to highlight daily practicality and luxury feel. Then I compare infotainment, driver aids, and cabin noise to show technological convenience differences. Finally, I outline typical maintenance expectations, warranty perks, and resale considerations that influence total cost of ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.